This unique geometric architectural gem opened in June of 2021 with 298 apartments in this little pocket of Bucktown, right between the river and the highway. Welcome to Triangle Square. I know, there's truly nothing else like this. Lamar Johnson Collaborative designed this eye-catching community with the goal to create a community and neighborhood where neither existed in Chicago's industrial corridor. To think before 2017, this area was nearly all industrial factories, and now there is more high-end living with tons of transportation connecting different neighborhoods. Let me show you these unique views and awesome amenities and what it's like to live in Bucktown. LiveChi fans, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe now so you can be the first to see the next featured property. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. The special aesthetic design carries throughout the property both inside and out, starting right as you walk in the grand two-story lobby where the geometric patterns run up the stairs and all around the entire space, really tying it all together. Developed by the Belgravia Group, Triangle Square transformed this area where Bucktown and Lincoln Park meet right off the Kennedy Expressway, the ultimate commuter's paradise. This massive pie-shaped mid-rise stands 7 stories wedged along Elston, Webster, and Ashland, and is one of the first residential developments in the area. Did you know Triangle Square actually consists of a 3-building master plan, including this apartment building, as well as a condo building with homes for sale and a commercial building with retail space? Let me show you. If you didn't already know, I'm a licensed real estate broker in Chicago, and I'm here to take the stress out of your next move. Be sure to fill out the jot form in my bio today for help finding your new place. This boutique community has just 298 apartments with efficient studios with built-in Murphy beds to 3-bedroom apartments with huge private terraces. The cool black and gold kitchen pendants come standard in all the homes with a kitchen island or peninsula. Like this spacious 1-bedroom model at 781 square feet on the 2nd floor facing east. Is large enough for a king bed and perfect for a couple. And you'll love taking advantage of having all the amenities on the same floor. The variety of 1-bedroom layouts here range from 626 to 788 square feet, and there's even a 1-bedroom plus den that's almost 1,000 square feet and feels more like a 2-bed. There's more to explore than you think here in Bucktown. There's lots popping up in the neighborhood, including some spots right in the building. Do you like to golf? The Green is America's most immersive indoor golf experience with indoor courses, a simulator, and a really cool interior design with bar. Looking for more to do in the area? If you haven't been to Whirly Ball, you are missing out. It's like lacrosse combined with basketball while you're in a go-kart. This is so fun for big groups. And all the big shops are around too, like Kohl's, Best Buy, and Costco, so you got everything you need right in the neighborhood. If you commute to the city from the suburbs for work, you might want to consider living here as a second residence, conveniently located right off the highway. There's truly something for everyone here. These smart studios are the perfect fit at just under 500 square feet, believe it or not, with a good-sized closet to store your weekly attire before you head back to the burbs for the weekend. How cool are these built-in Murphy beds that come in all the smaller studios? Just bring your own mattress and you're all set. This is so rare to find and such a huge bonus. They even built shelving around the Murphy bed to use as your nightstands and more storage. This one overlooks the beautiful green courtyard with park views. You'll find surprises all throughout this massive park exclusive to Triangle Square. The hammocks are perfect for reading a book or listening to a podcast while you catch some rays. Or grab your paddles and play some ping pong outside with your neighbors. I've never seen this cool amenity in an apartment building before. Not to mention, you're right next to Mariano's, so you can easily grab groceries and plan an impromptu picnic or grill out with your friends. This area is still undergoing a major transformation, from what was once just industrial warehouses to more and more of this modern high-end living right along the Chicago River. The finishes are so different from any other apartment building out there. All of the apartments feature these cool light gray matte cabinets with black hardware and stainless appliances, quartz countertops with white subway tile backsplash, and front-loading washer and dryer in every apartment. Some of the apartments have private terraces, and some come with balconies. Some even offer courtyard terraces, giving you direct access to the lush lawn and all of the amenities on the second floor. You are right on the pool deck in this one bedroom at 626 square feet. Imagine summertime shy, hosting all of your friends here and bringing them right out to the pool deck. How cool is that? They even throw tons of events out here in the resident park with live music around the fire pits and barbecuing around the grills. The outdoor kitchens are great for hosting with built-in sinks and tons of seating around. You can really sprawl out here and still have privacy. The super sunny pool is huge, especially for such a boutique building, with tons of lounge chairs to soak in those beautiful Chicago views. From here, you can see you're right on the cusp of Lincoln Park and Bucktown, with Webster leading you east to my favorite pizza in the city, Pequod's. Their deep dish pizza is served in a cast iron skillet for that dreamy caramelized crust. Make sure to make a reservation or you'll be drooling for over 2 hours while you wait. And just west, you have all the Damon staples. If you haven't been to the best French restaurant in the city, you're welcome. La Boucan better be on your list. This place will transport you to Paris while you enjoy a full duck for two, or my favorite, the duck pot pie. This place is so good, the chef opened a sister restaurant in River North called Obliques, which is just as good. Right next to La Boucan is another new hotspot, Pompette. This cute all-day cafe and wine bar has a great happy hour from 3 to 6 with $10 glasses of wine and specialty cocktails. Now back to the apartments. Their 2 bedrooms range from 908 to 1228 square feet. This super sunny southeast corner 2 bedroom on the 5th floor is on the larger end with shocking unobstructed city skyline views from inside or outside on your extra large terrace. These unique vaulted ceilings really amplify the space. And there is so much storage in this open kitchen. Check out all 4 of the pantries here. The oversized primary bedroom comfortably fits a king-size bed plus more. You'll love the large walk-through closet here too, plus an oversized linen closet in the ensuite bath. If you're living here with a roommate, don't forget you can always head down to the massive resident lounge to work from home, with several intimate niches to pick your perfect spot for the day. When you're all done working, it's time to play some pool and shuffleboard to mix things up. Check out these stellar skyline views from here. You can almost see the start of the 606 trail. I love getting out for a bike ride along this abandoned rail line, transformed into a peaceful path full of art and greenery, connecting Wicker Park, Bucktown, and Logan Square. All just a half mile from your door if you're living at Triangle Square. What's your favorite spot along the trail to stop for a snack on a long ride? Comment below and share. I bet you didn't know this wonderland was waiting for you in Bucktown. With all of these amazing amenities and massive private outdoor spaces, plus the convenient location, Triangle Square is the perfect place for you. Be sure to fill out the jot form in my bio if you are interested in a full property tour of Triangle Square or any other apartments in Chicago. I am a rental expert in the city, here to take the stress out of your next move. Be sure to subscribe and share LiveChi with your friends.